Friends, let us discuss some questions, mainly MCQs on data analytics. And this video is mainly based on Guidelines on Data Analytics 2017 issued by CAG of India. And this is part 1 and it will be followed by part 2. This channel contains more than 400 videos on around 50 plus subjects. To find out all these videos, please go to the playlist of my channel. It contains subject-wise playlist having similar videos at one place. You may also join as a member of this channel for watching all videos before it is made public and also to view all videos of the channel including practice set videos and mock test videos. Well, the first question is, when was the Big Data Management Policy issued? Big Data Management Policy कब इशू हुआ था? September 2015, November 2015, September 2016 or November 2016? Answer is September 2015. Actually, the guidelines on data analytics is issued by CAG of India as a follow-up to the big management policy that was issued in November 15. Data analytics is the application of data science to gain insight from data. Which of the following is one such insight? Actually, data analytics data science है जो कि डाटा को एनालिसिस करके कुछ अंडरस्टैंडिंग गेन करता है फ्रॉम द डाटा. सो उनमें से कौन सा ऑप्शन one such insight that is gained from the data analytics? Trends, patterns, deviations, inconsistencies, relationships among data elements identified through analysis, modeling or visualization, or all of these? Answer is all of these. Actually, data analytics is the application of data science to gain insight from data. It involves a sequence of steps starting from collection of data, preparing the data, and then applying various data analytics techniques to obtain relevant insights. Data analytics in IA&AD should be a one-off process for a specific audit or is expected to evolve over time. So IA&AD में जो data analytics का काम होता है वो किस स्पेसिफिक ऑडिट के लिए होना चाहिए और वो कंटिन्यूअस प्रोसेस होना चाहिए. So it should be one of process for a specific audit or expected to evolve over time. Answer is B, expected to evolve over time. It should be a continuous process in IA&AD. Data analytics should be continuous process so that the audit can get insight for planning audit and also implementing audit. Who is the nodal body for steering data analytics activities in IA&AD? IA&AD में डाटा एनालिटिक्स एक्टिविटीज को मैनेज करने के लिए नोडल बॉडी कौन होता है? ऑप्शन आर एडीआई ऑफ द रीजन और अकाउंटेंट जनरल ऑफ द रेस्पेक्टिव स्टेट्स और सेंटर फॉर डाटा मैनेजमेंट एंड एनालिटिक्स. आंसर इज सीडीएमए और सेंटर फॉर डाटा मैनेजमेंट एंड एनालिटिक्स वो हेडक्वार्टर में रहते हैं. वो CDMA is the nodal body for steering data analytics activities in IA&AD. Text, image, audio and video are which type of data? Structured और unstructured. जो text डाटा है, image डाटा है, audio और video डाटा वो किस टाइप का डाटा है? Structured डाटा और unstructured डाटा. Unstructured data. Actually, unstructured data comprises of text, image, audio or video data which cannot be readily tabulated for statistical or mathematical analysis. So, which data cannot be readily tabulated for statistical or mathematical analysis? structured data or unstructured data? Answer is unstructured data. As already we have discussed, it cannot be readily tabulated for statistical or mathematical analysis because these are in form of text, image, audio or video. Which of the following is correct? Nominal data are amenable to ordering, for example, name, gender of a person. B. Ordinal data are amenable to ordering, that is ranking based on quality of service, highly satisfied, satisfied, not satisfied, or both of these. Both of these. Both the options are correct. So categorical data may be nominal data or ordinal data. Nominal data are not amenable to ordering and ordinal data are amenable to ordering. Which of the following is correct? Univariate data has only one variable and is essentially descriptive in nature. Analysis of univariate data involves summarization and identification of patterns in the data. Option B. Bivariate data has two variables and statistical analysis can be applied to understand the relationship between two variables. Option C. Multivariate data involves multiple variables and statistical analysis is required to analyze the data and to discover relationship and dependencies between the variables. And option D is all of these. Answer is all of these. So based on the number of variables in a data set, it may be called univariate, bivariate और multivariate data. So एक डाटा में कितना वेरिएबल है, on that basis we decide univariate, bivariate और multivariate. जब डाटा में only one वेरिएबल होगा तो we shall tell it univariate data. जब दो वेरिएबल होगा we shall tell it bivariate data. और जब more than two वेरिएबल होगा तो उसको हम बोलेंगे multivariate data. Which type of data is represented by plots with three dimensions, that is x, y and z? कौन सा टाइप का डाटा थ्री डायमेंशन में, जैसे कि एक्स वाई जेड डायमेंशन में रिप्रेजेंट किया जा सकता है कोई प्लॉट में? ऑप्शन आर यूनिवेरिएट डाटा, बाइवेरिएट डाटा, मल्टीवेरिएट डाटा और ऑल ऑफ दिस. आंसर इज मल्टीवेरिएट डाटा. सो फॉर प्लॉटिंग on x, y, z axis, three variables are necessary minimum. So multivariate data can be plotted on three dimensions, that is x, y, z. And as bivariate data has only two variables, it can be plotted on only x and y axis. So in this case, answer is C. Which of the following data is treated as third party data? इसमें कौन सा डाटा को हम ट्रीट करेंगे एज थर्ड पार्टी डाटा? सेंसस डाटा, एनएसएसओ डाटा, सर्वे एंड इंफॉर्मेशन पब्लिश्ड बाय एनजीओस और ऑल ऑफ दिस. Answer is all of these. So census data, NSSO data, data published by various ministries or departments, data available in data.gov.in, reports of various commissions, other reports and data pertaining to union government, survey and information published by NGOs, industry specific information published by CI, FICCI, NASCOM etc., sector specific information published by various organizations, social media etc. All these data are third party data. Should the computers which are used for data analytics to be connected to internet? So जो कंप्यूटर में हम डाटा एनालिटिक्स का काम करते हैं वो इंटरनेट को कनेक्ट होना चाहिए क्या? Yes or no? Answer is no. To maintain data security, it should not be connected to internet. क्योंकि हम कोई ऑडिटेड एंटिटी का डाटा लाके एनालिसिस करते हैं, जब वो इंटरनेट में लिंक होगा तो देयर में बी पॉसिबल दैट somebody may hack it or this may be disclosed. So the computers in which we are conducting data analytics should not be connected to internet. Consideration of data reliability shall be significantly higher for which of the following dataset? Options are datasets planned for usage as audit evidence to support audit conclusion, datasets planned for drawing broad insights while planning, or both of these. So normally dataset is used for two purposes. First is to use as a audit evidence to support our audit conclusion. Second is हम जब प्लान करते हैं ऑडिट के लिए तो दोनों के लिए हम डाटा यूज करते हैं. फर्स्ट इज फॉर प्लानिंग पर्पजेस, सेकंड इज फॉर यूज एज ऑडिट एविडेंस. सो इन दोनों में किसके लिए रिलायबिलिटी का सिग्निफिकेंट हायर होना जरूरी है? आंसर इज when datasets are planned for usage as audit evidence to support audit's conclusion, the reliability should be highly significant. So answer is A. What is data cleansing? Data cleansing क्या होता है? Option A, a process of detecting and correcting or removing corrupt or inaccurate data from a record set, table or database. B, identifying incomplete, incorrect, inaccurate or irrelevant parts of the data and then replacing, modifying or filtering out the inaccurate or corrupt data. Option C, removing typographical errors or validating and correcting values against a known list of entities, or by cross-checking with a validated dataset, or all of these. Answer is all of these. Actually, good quality data which is clean, complete and devoid of error is essential for good analysis. So this process mentioned in option A, B and C is followed to cleanse the data so that the analysis will be perfect. Data enhancement is a process where data is made more complete by adding related information. Does it come under data cleansing process? So data enhancement एक प्रोसेस है जिसमें हम डाटा में कुछ मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन ऐड करके उसको ज़्यादा कंप्लीट करते हैं, ज़्यादा परफेक्ट करते हैं. सो वो डाटा एनहांसमेंट को क्या हम डाटा क्लींसिंग बता सकते हैं? यस और नो? यस, data enhancement is also a data cleansing process. In this process, data is made more complete by adding related information. It involves activities such as harmonization of data and standardization of data. Data integration is the process whereby the data collected are combined to obtain the final data set for analysis. The data should be collected from which sources? Same sources, different sources और both of these. So data integration एक process है जिसमें कि हम जो डाटा कलेक्ट करते हैं उसको हम कंबाइन करते हैं फॉर एनालिसिस ऑफ फाइनल डाटा. सो जो डाटा जब हम कंबाइन करते हैं और कलेक्ट करते हैं वो सेम सोर्स में होना चाहिए और डिफरेंट सोर्स में होना चाहिए. बोथ ऑफ दिस. वो डाटा हम कलेक्ट करते हैं वो सेम सोर्स में हो सकता है, डिफरेंट सोर्स में हो सकता है, जिसको हम कंबाइन करके फाइनल डाटा सेट प्रिपेयर करते हैं फॉर एनालिसिस. मेटाडाटा इज द डाटा ऑफ व्हिच सेट्स? सेम डाटा सेट्स और अदर डाटा सेट्स or both of these. Metadata is the data of other datasets. It contains information on the datasets in a manner to make it easier to identify the datasets. Which analytics tries to answer what has happened? So there are four types of analytics: descriptive analytics, diagnostic analytics, predictive analytics and prescriptive analytics. So उसमें कौन सा analytics आंसर करता है what has happened? Answer is descriptive analytics answers what has happened. Which analytics tries to answer why did it happen and how did it happen? So कौन सा analytics आंसर देता है क्यों वो हुआ और कैसे वो हुआ? Options are descriptive, diagnostic, predictive और prescriptive. Answer is diagnostic analytics. Which analytics tries to answer what will happen, when will it happen or where it will happen? So कौन सा analytics आंसर करता है क्या होगा, कब होगा और कहां पर होगा? Answer is predictive analytics. Which analytics allows the auditor to prescribe a range of possible actions as inputs such that outputs in future can be altered to the desired solutions? Options are descriptive analytics, diagnostic analytics, predictive analytics or prescriptive analytics. Answer is prescriptive analytics. Which of the following data analytic techniques help the auditor to understand the auditable entity and to identify issues therein? So कौन सा डाटा एनालिटिक टेक्निक ऑडिटर को हेल्प करता है to understand the auditable entity and also to identify the issues? Options are descriptive analytics, diagnostic analytics, predictive analytics or both A and B. Answer is both A and B. So दोनों descriptive and diagnostic analytics ऑडिटर को हेल्प करता है to understand the auditable entity and also identify the issues. Which of the following help understand the behavior of one or more variables based on the changes in the other set of variables? Options are descriptive analytics, diagnostic analytics, predictive analytics or both B and C. Answer is C. Predictive analytics help understand the behavior of variables based on the changes in the other set of variables. What is the technique of correlation? Correlation का टेक्निक क्या होता है? Options are it is used to measure the strength of association between two variables and ranges between -1 to +1. B. It gives a numerical explanation of how variables relate, enables prediction of the dependent variables given the independent variables. Or both A and B. Answer is A. It is used to measure the strength of association between two variables and ranges between -1 to +1. Which analysis technique gives a numerical explanation of how variables relate, enables prediction of the dependent variables given the independent variables? Options are descriptive analytics, regression analysis, predictive analytics, or all of these. Answer is regression analysis. Which analysis aims to group together and summarize variables which are correlated, thereby enabling data reduction? Options are cluster analysis, regression analysis, factor analysis, or all of these. Factor analysis. Actually, this analysis group together and summarize the variables which are correlated, and it helps in data reduction. Which analysis is a multivariate technique used to group individuals or variables based on common characteristics? Options are cluster analysis, regression analysis, factor analysis, or all of these. Answer is cluster analysis. In this analysis, multivariate technique यूज करके ग्रुप्स ऑफ इंडिविजुअल्स और वेरिएबल्स का कॉमन कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स निकाल के हम एनालिसिस करते हैं. व्हाट इज एक्सप्लोरेटरी डाटा एनालिसिस? एक्सप्लोरेटरी डाटा एनालिसिस और ईडीए क्या होता है? ऑप्शन ए, it is an approach to analyzing dataset to summarize their main characteristics, often with visual method, or it is undertaken for seeing what data can tell us beyond the statistical analysis and modeling, or both of these. Both of these. Actually, exploratory data analysis is a part of data visualization, and data visualization का aim क्या होता है? Its aim is to make information and relationship easily understandable. Thank you. You may join as a member of this channel to avail benefits like watching all videos before it is made public, and also to view all videos of the channel including practice set videos and mock test videos. Thank you again.